This video was made possible by Enviro Elements. For this piece I wanted to inspire from an old work of mine called Battle of Eternity. This artwork spins around exploration and mystery. I have tried to create an altar where the mystical sword is stuck in. Also, I have added a character because you cannot do anything without those, to create some scale difference and to give some story to the whole piece. Also, the process of this piece will be uncut. What does it mean? Just the final grain and 2 or 3 adjustments are not shown, but I recommend you to watch it till the end to understand everything that I do and why I do it. Before we start with the speed art, let me introduce you to today's sponsor, Envato Elements. Envato is a huge stock assets website where you can find pretty much whatever you want, from stock photos to videos, graphics, templates for your own websites, fonts, brushes and a lot more. And here's the best thing about Envato: not only the 3D section that we've mentioned previously in our past videos, but the graphics one, where you can find a lot of overlays. Just type smoke and you'll get tons of smoke overlays at your disposal. This applies to everything you are looking for. Also, they offer an annual plan of 40-50 euros per month, which is not much at all. It is such a good price for what the website has to offer. Of course, if you're students, you can get the annual plan for 10 euros per month, because yes, Envato has a suitable program for all the students with a 30% discount. I'll drop my affiliate link down below, so every subscription that you guys take, I get a small part as well. This would help a lot. Okay, so without more delays, I want you to lay down and watch this process. Also, get that catch of the final result, and don't forget that any idea can become reality in Photoshop. Enjoy!